अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बना रहे हैं एक हेल्थी ब्रेकफास्ट, ओट्स डोसा। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। To a bowl, add 1 cup of oats and 1.5 cups of water. Mix, cover and let it rest for half an hour. Okay, after half an hour, the oats is nicely soaked in water. Now let's add this to the mixie jar. Along with the oats, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tomato, a few curry leaves, 1 green chilli, a quarter teaspoon of ginger paste, half an onion, and then add 2 tablespoons of curd and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add a little water if necessary and grind to a fine paste, just like how you would grind for dosa. Grind and remove to a bowl and add a few coriander leaves finely chopped. Mix well and now it's ready. Let's make a dosa. Heat a girdle or a tawa. Add a ladle of the batter and spread it evenly, just like how you would to make a dosa. Apply oil all around the sides and the center. Oil or ghee. Wait for 2 minutes. Once one side is cooked, turn over and cook the other side for 2 minutes. Once that is done, fold and remove to a plate. Now let's make another dosa, just like the earlier one. Add a ladle of the batter. Spread evenly. Apply oil and leave it for 2 minutes. Once one side is done, turn over and cook that side for 2 minutes. Turn over, fold and remove to a plate. Be very careful when turning over the dosa because oats dosa has a tendency to break, so be a little careful. Oats dosa is now ready. You can serve it with tomato chutney or any chutney of your choice. So do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.